Welcome to a Bruhl instructional video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the basic operation of your motorcycle dryer. You'll notice that the dryer outlet on the machine itself has 4 specific cutouts. These line up perfectly with the end of the connector hose, which has 4 notches. They fit into the dryer outlet and twist clockwise to lock into position. Once in place, you'll be able to install one of 3 attachments to the end of the hose. These are all a simple installation which require no more effort than pushing into place, maybe a twist from side to side to lock them firmly in position, and the job is done. On top of the device is a dual switch, one for on without heat and one for on with heat. In its resting state, it lays neutral with neither on or off. To switch it on, press the single switch to the right, return to neutral. If you want heat, switch the device to the second setting. To turn the device off, return the switch to a neutral resting position. Before using a motorcycle dryer, be sure to move your wet motorcycle to a dry area. Don't aim the air jet at yourself or others, and be sure to have a firm grip of the air nozzle before turning on the machine. When drying the motorcycle, be sure to keep the air nozzle at least 4 centimeters away from the bodywork and keep it moving at all times. Take care around delicate areas of your motorcycle such as paintwork, unlacquered decals, and wiring looms.